welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well. I know I didn't post on Thanksgiving or on Black Friday, but I just wanted to start this vlog out by saying hi and happy Thanksgiving. I hope you all enjoyed the holiday with your friends and family. Hopefully you have some time off over these next couple of days to just enjoy your family, enjoy just kind of the season, the start to the holiday season. But yeah, so today is so exciting because I'm doing my first collaboration with another YouTuber. I'm so thrilled, and she's actually a subscriber of mine. She's been watching my videos and she reached out to me on Instagram and wanted to collab, and I was like, absolutely, I'm so excited. Her name is Courtney and her channel name is called aMomma&HerMinis, which is so adorable. She's a mommy lifestyle channel. She has two adorable little girls. She does cleaning content like me, and then she also does vlogs. She has a lot of fun videos, so you guys make sure you check out her channel. I'm going to link her channel down below. Follow her on Instagram, and I know that you guys will adore her. She's adorable, and I'm really excited to be collabing with her. If you guys are coming over from Courtney's channel, it's so nice to meet you. My name is Vanessa. I do cleaning motivation on my channel and organization and things like that. So if that sounds interesting to you, I would love for you to stick around and subscribe. And yeah, let's just go ahead and get started with this video. So as you can see by the title, I don't remember if I already told you what this video is about. I don't think so. But yeah, Courtney and I are gonna be cleaning out our refrigerators, which is such a great time because it's following the holiday, it's following Thanksgiving, so I know I have some leftovers in here, things that I'm probably not gonna eat, so I'm just gonna go ahead and toss them, clear everything out, clean down the shelves, and just get everything nice and clean. That way I can go into December with a nice clean fridge. So let's go ahead and get started, and I'll show you guys what I'm working with. Okay, here is a quick overview of what we're working with. It's a pretty sad looking fridge and a lot of things that just kind of don't go together. But yeah, so up here, see, like I tried to organize. I have these two bins. In this bin I actually keep face masks, like those things that go over your eyes. Let me show you. Like the sleep masks. These feel really good when they're cold, so keep those in there. I have like some guacamole things and some applesauce. I have to check the dates on those because they're taller than me. Like I only come up to right here. It's hard for me to see what's in those, so sometimes I forget about what's in there. Anyway, moving on. Chocolate milk. This stuff is so good. I got this at Costco. They were sampling it, and yeah, they totally got me. I had to buy it. If you put these on little Ritz crackers, oh my god, it's so good. I have a thing of eggs that need to go into the egg organizer. I have so much cheese. This is like literally a cheese drawer. I have some stuff over there, some leftovers that I'm gonna get rid of. I have some more organizers down here. I think I wanna like put these higher up, especially because these are see-through, and like I said, with those I forget that I have stuff in there just because I can't see it and I'm not tall enough. So it would probably make more sense for the clear ones to go higher up so that I can like know what's in there. Anyway, and then I just have some, oh, I forgot that I had these. These are probably expired. Dang it. November 10th. Did November 10th? Yeah, November 10th is long gone. All right, well, I have to throw that out. And then I'm just gonna go through the condiments. I like to go through them every couple of weeks because, I don't know, you just forget about stuff and stuff expires. So, gonna clear this out, clean down the shelves, and reshuffle stuff around. So, stay tuned. I will show you what I do. Okay, so I emptied everything in the main section. I'm gonna do this separately just because I'm running out of space on my island. But I'm gonna clean everything down. I'm going to use just a multi-purpose spray, the Mrs. Meyer's. I have a little bit more of the mum scent to use up. So yeah, I'm just gonna spray everything down and wipe it because, like, ew. There's so much stuff in there. Okay, so I just removed the drawer from the lower portion, and there's a lot of crumbs back hidden behind there, so I'm gonna clean all of that out too. I might as well have everything out, so this is a good opportunity to just really do a deep clean. Through everything and toss out what is old or I'm not going to eat. So you guys already said that this is expired, and I also saw that the lettuce had just expired, so that sucks. I hadn't even opened that up yet. I'm also going to toss this out. There's only a little bit left, and I should have froze this if I was not going to use it up right away. This cucumber is old. I have a new cucumber and lemons, so I'm gonna take these out and put them like nicely. I'm gonna refill my container that I put my sparkling waters in. Let's see, are these still good? Yes, these are still good. I think these aren't good anymore. Yeah, these aren't good anymore. Oh, I hate that. I hate that it's like literally throwing out money. Yeah. It makes me so sad. Okay, what else? March 30th, so this is still good. I need to stop like opening up so many different types of cheese because there's like so many that are open. That's good. There's only a little bit left in here. I'm probably not gonna have it, so throw it out. Mozzarella, that's still good. I have another one of those open, so throw that out. And then this is a brand new one. Okay, chocolate milk, that's Steven's. How long? I just opened this the other day, but I only needed a little bit of it. I think this is still good. I'm gonna take these out of the package and get rid of the box. I love these. This is my favorite like type of drink, the White Claw hard seltzers, mainly because there's like only 100 calories, doesn't make me, like doesn't give me a headache. Is it gonna focus? Focus, come on. I'm making you guys nauseous. Okay, whatever. You guys know what a White Claw is. Throw this out. Hang on, I gotta change my battery. It's blinking. Okay, I'm back. So this cheese I don't like, but this is for my dog Minnie for when she has her medicine. So I will keep this. I haven't eaten this. I tried it. I wasn't like blown away. I prefer the other brand, the Philadelphia 1/3 less fat. So I'm gonna toss that. I think it's almost expired anyway. What else? I put hummus in here to take for lunch, and then I never ended up bringing it. So I'm going to throw that out because it's been in there for a little bit. This is the best cream cheese ever, you guys. The whipped cream cheese. Why does nothing want to focus? Maybe because there's too many things. There it is. The New York Tempty whipped cream cheese. So good for like regular cream cheese. I love it. I have hummus. This wasn't opened yet. December 10th. Okay, so I have plenty of time. Just got these, so those are still good. This is my favorite butter. The Kerrygold Irish butter. Oh, it's so good. Every time it's BOGO at Publix, I stock up on it because it's a little bit more expensive. This is still good. There's only a tiny bit left. I made tacos last week, so yeah, I don't want this anymore. I'm gonna toss that. And I like, when I say toss this, I'll like throw out the meat and then wash the container. However, I did actually end up buying some new Rubbermaid containers, so I'm gonna be going through all of my Tupperware and getting rid of all the stuff that's like stained and just kind of like like dingy, and replacing it with all the new stuff that I got. So okay, and then for the eggs, I am just going to move up the eggs that are in here to the front, and then refill the rest of the container with the new eggs. So that was actually pretty easy. So let me go ahead and put everything back in. I'll show you guys how I organized it, and yeah, then we'll move on to the refrigerator doors. Okay, so here's how it turned out. I think it looks pretty good. It looks pretty sad. It could definitely use a replenishment. But what I did, I moved these up here, the sparkling waters, and I'll restock those. But then I put the other 2 clear containers up here and decided to put the lemons in one, and then the zucchini and the cucumber in the other. This main one I usually use for drinks, so if I have like, I don't know, gallons of something, like a bigger type of pitcher, I'll put that in here. And then I moved this down here, and this is basically like all snack stuff, I figured, so I can see it because it's lower, so if I need a snack, like that's what this will be. And then I just put all of my other miscellaneous stuff here, moving that to the front so I don't forget to use it because I already opened it. Eggs, butter, this is my cheese drawer. Just have a little bit more organized. And then down here, this is usually where I like to keep salad on the bottom, but I have 2 extra butters because they were on sale. So those are just like backups after that one is done. So now we're gonna move on to the door. And I know I'm missing one of the pink ones, but you know what I was thinking? Honestly, the one that I reach for most is this one, and I never really reach for those 2, so I'm gonna get rid of those and just keep this one. And I'm gonna move this to the door, or, well, for now, I'll just keep it right here. But the plan is to move it to the door. Once you leave me, it's over. No turning back, not today. Alright, well, joke's on me. This is how much stuff I'm getting rid of, so I ended up just emptying out the whole thing, because then I did notice that even though I feel like I did this not too long ago, it did get a little bit dirty. Like, how does that happen? It kind of grosses me out. Anyway, so this is all the stuff I'm getting rid of, and this is all the stuff that I'm keeping. So I think I'm gonna do one shelf that's just like, I don't know. I like to keep aloe in the fridge. I keep for my nebulizer, I have asthma. I like to keep these in the fridge too, just because it feels better when I'm doing the nebulizer when that stuff is cold. Too much information. But yeah, I have other, so I'll keep my face mask thing with this, since this is all like personal care. So I'm just going to clean this out, throw all that out, and then put this stuff back in. All right guys, this is the final product. I love how it looks. I love that I have a lot of empty space, so when I do go shopping, I know that I have plenty of room coming home to my fridge. So basically what I did, I just put all the condiments on this shelf for the most part. On this shelf I put the almond milk. I like to keep, this is basically just like Pedialyte. If I have like an upset stomach or something like that, this makes me feel better, so I just like to keep some in the fridge. So I have my chicken broth, butter. This shelf is completely empty except for like my self-care stuff. I have some prescriptions up here, and then you guys saw that. So that is the finished product. Alright guys, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you like it, leave a comment down below, and let me know what area of my home you want me to clean next. I'm looking for ideas. I'm thinking about doing Vlogmas, so I need plenty of ideas for content in December. Make sure y'all go check out Courtney's channel. I know you guys will love it. Courtney, thank you so much for doing my first collab with me. I'm so excited, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!